killed and 3 others hurt in a fiery crash.
Thrown from the car, landing
hit head-on with such force.
Police say he'd been drinking before
Of the
swerving
SUV was ejected.
The 17-year-old driver died. The passenger was critical.
In Essex County last year, we had more than 40 fatal accidents. If something's predictable, it's preventable. Here's what we can predict. Somebody will be involved in a fatal motor vehicle accident because they're texting. Somebody will be involved in a fatal motor vehicle accident because they had too much to drink. Somebody will be involved in a fatal motor vehicle accident because they were filming. All of these things have contributed to fatal motor vehicle accidents. They are all preventable. In Essex County, the District Attorney's Office, working with law enforcement, will do everything we can to make the road safer. These accidents don't just take the life of the perpetrators. Sometimes they take innocent victims.